Everything was a learning because we are actors, we get paid to do something that we don't usually do. We get paid to pretend to be something that we were not born to be. And to be allowed to play this character in uniform by the Air Force and by Alka ma'am, I think that was like the hall ticket needed for this exam. And so everything has been a learning. And I'm just very grateful to be sitting here, especially in front of them. And I don't think one experience about the forces can teach you about the forces. I don't think anything can teach you about the forces except joining the forces. And my biggest learning from this show, if I have to call it one, is that there's a hope that what you do will change young people's way of thinking. There's a hope that what you do or what you pretend to be will help young people see their country in a different way and to see their veterans, their legends, their heroes in a different way. And for me, this is not it's a retelling of a very important part of this country's post-independence history. And my biggest learning, so I'll finish that thought, is that this is not the story. This is a story. And there were many squadrons involved and many martyrs and many young people whose lives changed, and because of them our lives changed. So the learning is that this is not an achievement, this is just the beginning. And thank you Netflix, thank you to the Indian Air Force, thank you to the creators Abhijit and Kushal and Oni and this incredible crew and all of these dynamite actors who sit with me. Thank you to all of these people for making this one of the most unforgettable experiences of my life as a human being, leave alone as an actor. And I'm very hopeful that this will start a very important conversation and subsequent conversations about who we are as a country, who our young people are, how they think, and how those young people dealt with the coursing blood in their veins and how they let it be spilt in the name of their country. So thank you for this opportunity, and I'm really curious to see what young people say when they see this production. And all of us are very, very grateful to be here. And the trailer was really, really special. And yeah, thank you, thanks a lot. And आपने अभिजीत से जो बोला, आपने मुझसे जो बोला, वो बहुत स्पेसिफिक बातें हैं जो मैं आपके साथ बाद में शेयर करूँगा. But from Abhijit's side and my side, and from everybody on this stage, thank you so much for the permission to do this. We would not have done it without your permission.
I would say I will see. I don't have any videos of Ajay. At least I have an image of Ajay. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. Dear friends, we have two more questions right now.
Hello.
Second class, please.
अरे इनको माइक तो दो.
Hi, this is Vartika from Hindustan. मेरे दो क्वेश्चन हैं. एक क्वेश्चन आदिल सर से है और एक क्वेश्चन सिद्धार्थ से है. आदिल सर, पहले मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूंगी. सर, मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूंगी कि हमने आपको बहुत सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स में देखा है, बहुत सारी मूवीज में देखा है. इस मूवी में आपको आपके रोल में क्या चीज़ सबसे ज़्यादा खास लगी कि आपने सोचा कि इस मूवी को तो करना ही है?
उल्टा सवाल.
तो वो बचपन से मेरी फिल्में देखते आ रहे हैं ये लोग, तो जाहिर सी बात है कहीं तो चोट तो लगना ही लगना है. मतलब इतना My first reaction to Operation Safed Sagar, I think Oni and Abhijit met me and we had this conversation. मेरा पहला रिएक्शन हेजिटेशन था, क्योंकि there's a way that heroes are depicted in our entertainment, in our engagement, and specifically our martyrs. I feel that sometimes one is that they're not here to defend or accept the portrayal that you're portraying of them. तो वो मुझे थोड़ा मुश्किल लगता है. It's easier to play a fictional character. And secondly, the moment you know someone is a martyr, we tend to sterilize them. We tend to whitewash them. we tend to make them one certain kind of person, which is none of us is like that. And heroes don't look like heroes. They are heroes because of their actions. So I was scared that, I didn't want to do injustice to somebody's memory. And so it took a lot of discussion with Abhijit and Oni and Kushal and everybody who made this show, that we always stayed true to the integrity of a great man's memory and a soldier's story. And like I said, I asked only one question after that, which is, did she allow it?
Thank you so much, Siddharth. Thank you very much for sharing your emotion.
Hello.
आंख में क्या हुआ is
नहीं यार, थोड़ा सा एक छोटा सा ऑपरेशन हुआ है बस, just regular wear and tear, old age बोलते हैं बस.
All right, last question for the evening, please. Can I have
I have
that?
grown up watching Adil sir. I just want to pass on the compliment and the favor. I have grown up watching you. And you have done like very selective work, so I have grown up very slowly.
Hello.